Hi boys and girls, today we're going to practice writing our numbers to 20. This is kind of like what we did last week, but last week you had some of the numbers filled in and today there's only 1 and 20. So first put your name at the top. My name is Angie, so I'm writing Angie. Okay, then once you have your name at the top, I want you to practice filling in the numbers from 1 to 20. So Allie's here to help.
Hi.
What comes after 1?
2.
Then what?
3.
Then we have,
4.
and on that last row we have what?
5.
Good.
I'm not the best at writing
That's
iPads.
okay. We just do our best.
And forget the
After
rest.
5 comes 6, 7, 8,
9, 10.
10. Okay, if you got that far and you did all of those, give yourself a smiley face. And now Allie's going to help us with the next row. Okay, Allie's going to help us with the next row. After 10 comes
11, and also the boys are being crazy.
Then what? 12,
13, 14. If I'm going too fast, pause the video, but I go really fast. 15.
Good.
There we go.
So we got all the way to 15.
And
on the
guys, did you notice the pattern on the side?
What's the pattern?
It's going by 5s. See? 5, 10, 15, and 20.
Nice job. So good.
You don't have to write that if it's
That's
too
okay.
much. But
That's awesome. Good noticing that pattern. Then we have 16,
17, 18,
18,
19,
and
20.
Good. So give yourself another smiley face if you made it to 20.
Give yourself 2.
Yep.
Because you're doing extra good in class. And I'm also helping her, being the teacher.
Yep. And then turn this in where your teacher would have you. Good job today.
Yeah.